Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, September 28th. Oh my gosh, don't look at the front of my hair. Saturday, September 28th, and it is homecoming. Yesterday was the homecoming game, as you can see from the vlog. Yeah, I hope you go watch that before you watch this. If you haven't, go check that out. Yeah, right now I'm drinking some lemon water. I don't know why I put so many lemons in here. But I'm gonna go wash my hair now. I was gonna do a face mask, but the mask that I'm thinking about doing is just a sheet mask, and usually you just do that before you put your makeup on, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put it on before I put my makeup on. Yeah, I'm about to wash my hair, and I'm gonna take y'all through it. I'm actually drinking this because I have not only a sore throat, but I lost my voice. So if I try to go higher than how I'm talking right now, it's gonna go. So let me try being like, hey guys. I'm losing my voice. We love that, you know, school spirit or whatever. So this is why I'm trying to rehydrate, because I know after tonight I am gonna lose my voice again. Just did my toes. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's been a good minute. It is now 3:20. I did get my hair done. My aunt did my hair. You know, she tied it down. I'm about to go eat right now, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna do a face mask, my makeup, then put my clothes on, and then do the dash out the door. I'm outside. I'm gonna eat my lunch / breakfast / dinner or whatever for right now, and then what am I gonna do next? Oh, and then I'm gonna get ready, as I said before. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my face mask. So it is gonna cover my nose. I was gonna do a charcoal nose strip, but if it's gonna cover my nose, then it doesn't make sense, you know, to do that. So this is the 24K Gold Radiance mask. It's for, what is this, restoring and brightening. It just says that it encourages elasticity to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and that's what I want today. So oh my gosh, probably should have used the scissors. Ooh, y'all see that? I had actually gotten this for my birthday last year. Yep, last year. So it's been in my drawer for a good minute. Oh my gosh, it's just dropping juices all over. Oh my gosh. This is so messy. This is what it looks like. Then it says to peel the backing and then just place it on your face. Oh, that's wet because I have this thing on my head. It's gonna be a little bit hard to do this. Okay, Oh, it smells nasty. Wait a minute. Oh. I don't even think this is on right, but So this is supposed to be kept on for 20 minutes. Smells nasty, but alright. It has been 20 minutes. I did have to take it off because I was getting a headache from the scent. My skin looks nice. It's glowing. Oh, right now I am about to go do a charcoal whitening thing on my teeth. It's just regular toothpaste with charcoal in it. So that's what I'm doing. So, vamonos. This is what I'm going to be using. I got this from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of those. So this is what I'm going to be using right now. We love that. So whenever I do use the powder, I always have like some that are stuck kind of in the gums. I'm gonna be using this now. This is a toothpaste with mint, coconut oil, and charcoal. So just to show you, it looks nice, you know, for the smiling that I'm gonna be doing today. Okay, so I am gonna start getting ready. It is it's 4 o'clock now. 4:03. 4:04. I'm gonna start getting ready, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do my makeup. I'm gonna give y'all a nice little tutorial or whatever. Okay, so the first step that I'm gonna do, I'm going to use this Cucumber Melon Witch Hazel, and this is supposed to be used for redness reducing purpose, but okay, I'm gonna just use it. So my mirror is right there. That's why I'm looking over there. Now I'm gonna take this simple hydrating booster. I had actually gotten sent this by a subscription company. You have to review certain products and then you could get it. Oh, let me put a little bit more. So this is supposed to be like to reduce dryness, but I prefer to use it during the winter just because right now I'm not as dry as I am during the winter, but today's the day. So now that my base is done, I am going to start to do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the can't get it. The Becca, what is this? Concealer in Butterscotch. It's closer to my skin tone, so that's why I'm gonna use it. Ooh, it's kind of tight. So tight. That feels so much better. So tight. Okay. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put a little because it's so thick that when you put too much, it's just like, oh my gosh. Sorry y'all, like I'm in this group chat for school, so sorry if you're gonna hear. Okay, so the first step that I'm gonna do, I'm going to use this Cucumber Melon Witch Hazel, and this is supposed to be used for redness reducing purpose, but okay, I'm gonna just use it. So my mirror is right there. That's why I'm looking over there. Okay, now I'm gonna take this simple hydrating booster. I had actually gotten sent this by a subscription company. You have to review certain products and then you could get it. Oh, let me put a little bit more. So this is supposed to be like to reduce dryness, but I prefer to use it during the winter just because right now I'm not as dry as I am during the winter, but today's the day. Okay, so now that my base is done, okay, so now that my base is done, I am going to start to do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the can't get it. The Becca, what is this? Concealer in Butterscotch. It's closer to my skin tone, so that's why I'm gonna use it. Ooh, it's kind of tight. So tight. That feels so much better. So tight. Okay. Can't seem to find my brush. It's a little suspicious. Okay, there we go. Let me just take this concealer brush. Ooh, I really gotta check this. Hold on. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put a little because it's so thick that when you put too much, it's just like, oh my gosh. Sorry y'all, like I'm in this group chat for school, so sorry if you're gonna hear. I'm gonna blend it out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I found my little Sephora mirror that I had gotten for my birthday last year. Oh my gosh. So it's kind of like blended out now. Yeah, it looks really good. It's blended now. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 100, and I'm just gonna set my lids. So that's done. What am I? Oh, eyeshadow. Kind of forgot what the next step was. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Morphe. It's so dirty. I'm gonna take the Morphe 35M. This is the Boss Mood palette. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this orange and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys like how it looks when it is blended. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to take that shade. I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna take that one and I'm gonna put it in the crease also. Okay, this is what it looks like right now that it's blended out. Of course I'm gonna, you know, clean it up when I'm done, but that's what it looks like. Okay, now I'm gonna take that same brush that I was just using, and then I am going to, what shade am I gonna use? Oh, I'm gonna use this one right here, that purple. So you're just gonna put it like on the end. Okay, I just finished blending everything and it's starting to come together. It's looking cute because when I was practicing it the other day, it was not looking like this. It was looking a whole mess, but it looks good. And now I'm just gonna add the shimmer. So, I was gonna use a shimmer out of this palette, right? But it mostly has purple shades, and these purples are way too dark or way too light for the dress that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna use this right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Golden Bar. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna dip into these two shades and put it on my lid. Like dip into both of them. And I'm gonna get some facial spray and spray on it. So it will give like a wet look. This is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with it. Actually, I'm gonna, oh, okay, yeah, it looks good. It looks more pink than purple, but that's okay. Now I'm going to be doing my mascara. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the Rimmel Shake It Fresh mascara. I'm gonna use this one as a base and then this one on top. So these are my lashes with just the Too Faced mascara, and now I'm gonna add the other one on top with both mascaras, and then this is the one with just the Too Faced, and you can obviously see the difference in both of them. This is the final of my eye makeup. I am gonna clean up the sides of my eyeshadow. I even did like the bottom lashes, but I don't do them like spider-ish, I guess. But obviously I'm gonna clean up around my face before I put other things on. So I stole a baby wipe from my sister and I'm just going to wipe underneath my eye. Okay, now it's time for my favorite part of my look. So I'm gonna just push this back just a little so I can do around here. For my bronzer, I'm gonna be using this, the e.l.f. bronzer palette. This is what it looks like. It has 4 shades, and I'm gonna dip into all 4. But first, I'm gonna chisel right here and then just go around. So, going in all 4, and then I'm gonna tap off. Alright, so now that I use that, I'm gonna take this big brush and then I'm just gonna dip into it. For my favorite part, highlight. So before I use my powder highlight, I am gonna use this one. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin, and it's in the shade Sin. And then I'm just going to like, yeah, so that, this is, I don't even know if it's still available, but this is what it looks like. I'm getting my highlight, but what did I do with my highlight brush? Give me a minute. I went looking for my brush, and this whole time it was right there, just staring at me, but I'm gonna take a little bit. Ooh. Into bright. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so just to show you guys what my look is, let me just turn it down so I can see, and then, yep. Decay Body Shimmer Space Powder, and well, it's for the face and body, and I'm gonna take another highlighting brush, and this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna, it's literally kind of like glitter. I'm just gonna add that to my highlight. This is the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set, so let's. So this is currently what my highlight looks like. I just wanted to show y'all in the sun what it looks like. I had to, like take my blinds out, but this is what my makeup is looking like. It looks good, no cap. I'm gonna use the Laura Geller lip gloss, and what shade is this? Rose Tremolin. Ooh, y'all. Glowing. I am dressed now. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. This is my dress. Very glittery. As I am dressed now, I'm gonna take Stila palette and I'm gonna dip into the gold, and I'm just gonna put the glitter all over. It's like a glitter.
Juju on that beat, outside, jump, hit that fuck, stop, hey, don't stop.